them. We're releasing a
bird.
We got a bird in the dryer vent here.
Sam's watching.
Yep, Sam's curious.
We're gonna let it go. It's the Frozen song. I hope it's a bird.
Maybe you should let him out the other way. He's coming.
Aaron.
I see feather.
He's scared.
See anything? You just want to go to the bottom, huh?
Maybe you should just put it on the ground and leave it like.
See?
Yeah, but don't point it towards. Jason.
Yeah.
He's even
How do you know it was a bird?
Sounds like a bird, don't it?
put it down so he can walk.
You just walk on out.
Yeah, but not towards us.
What do you want to see?
He's
I see it.
You do.
Yeah.
Hi, birdie.
See,
Oh,
get your
feathers.
face away.
It wasn't a rat, was it?
Hi, birdie. No, it has feathers.
Yeah, I don't think rats have feathers.
Jason, let him take his time.
He's right there.
Be nice. He's scared because you're shaking
Yes,
it.
he's right there.
It's okay. Let him. Why are you pacing it towards us?
So we can video Andrew's video on it.
I'll be pacing.
Do we need to put a little feed down there? A little bird food?
Jason.
Catnip.
Is he making his way yet?
Jason,
Stop.
sit down. Just leave it sitting down, sweetie.
Right, he hears us. He's scared.
Exactly.
Him or she is scared.
I just rolled it.
Jason. Oh, I see some feathers. Jason, you're gonna hurt it.
Oh, yeah, I heard it.
I don't think he knows how to fly.
Jason. You just let him be and take his time and get down.
He'll reach in there. Huh?
No, no, no. Jason. Jason, get your face out.
Do you see it?
Yes, he's wings
Just let
down.
it be. Just let it sit. He'll come.
You think we should? Just have like a, we can sit up here
Have your coffee.
and relax.
It's beautiful out
Wait
there.
for the bird to come on out. He should be able just to walk on out now. Well, I was hoping he'd come out so that Andrew could video. So it's a beautiful day out there.
It is. It's
I
like,
see some ducks
there's
too.
our ducks. Lindsay, when I left for work yesterday, the ducks were in our yard. See, he's coming.
Lindsay, move.
Can you still see Andrew?
Lindsay.
Yeah, scoot this way, Lindsay. So you're not in Andrew's way.
We're in the
In our video person's way. Aw. Maybe the ducks are coming over to help. They heard that a bird,
We got birds and trash into our house.
you know, being that one vent was closed, the other one
How did
needs,
the bird get in?
yeah, because there's a flapper for the vent for the dryer, and I heard him in there flapping. But yeah, I'm going to put a screen on it,
That probably is what happened.
searching the whole house. He took my other one, and now I get trapped in this one. This one was not as cool as the other one.
Maybe the other one.
The other vent he got into was the restroom vent for the overhead. Lindsay, you gotta get your videotaping.
And you know,
Now he's gonna come out. He's gonna say hi to everyone. I think that one duck over there might be pregnant. They waddle on like pregnant ducks. Do you want me to? Bless you. Bless you. Gonna wave at the neighbors.
I did. Way back. Oh, he's our neighbor.
He is our neighbor.
I didn't know.
Like a real neighbor that lives right down the street. You need to help it out again, Lindsay?
No, let him be.
Andrew, you think I should help it out?
No. Clearly your method didn't work. Be patient.
Doesn't that end thing screw off?
No.
Yeah, but it's like tape.
No, I think it's, tape / glued. Only the top swivels.
That's good. What if he's like in the middle now? He's like staying away.
It's like, I'm scared to come out now. Well, I'm gonna help him out a little more.
Have it vertical. Let's try that.
That is true.
Just don't shake him. See, he went to the top. He's up there. Or just do it that way. Oh. Oh, the poor thing. Jason, just let it be. Jason, don't shake it. He's... There he is. There he is. You see him, Andrew? He's coming. Don't point it towards me.
What kind of bird is it, Andrew?
I don't know.